Exterior power washing services in Long Island. Keep your pavers looking fresh with paver cleaning from Pressure Wash Long Island. Our paver cleaning services will remove slip hazards like algae, mildew, and moss from your paver surfaces and reinvigorate the appeal of your paths. Keep your steps, curbs, and trodden crossings safe and accessible with our professional paver cleaning services. Love the look of those freshly cleaned pavers? Make it last with professional paver sealing from the sealing superstars at Pressure Wash Long Island. Sealing extends the life of your pavers, keeps them looking new, and makes future cleanups by regular pressure washing quick and easy. Schedule your consultation today. Call us or visit our website.